Hello friends, I am back with my new video, means new experiment. I know you are at home and I am too. Come we'll see its name. Its name is travelling water. I know you are shocked by listening the name travelling water, but don't be shocked. Okay, come we'll see what material you need to do this experiment. You need 2 glasses, 1 empty glass and 1 colored glass. I have taken blue color. You can take any one. Take a string. Come we'll do the experiment. Take a string and dip it into the blue colored water that I have taken, and that's why the thread will wet. Now remove the extra water from the thread. Now take a thread, one side thread, and put it into the empty glass like this. Now take another end and put it into like this here and catch it tightly. While doing experiment, your empty glass thread will not touch here. Otherwise the water will spill on the table. Put like this. Okay. Now we will do it. Wow. The water is going into the another glass. Why this happens? This happens because a process called cohesion. Because the spring is already wet, it has lots of molecules. As you take the water over it, finds the other water molecules and sticks to it. This way the water comes one glass to another glass. Wow! Now we will remove the spring. See, the glass is empty. This glass is filled with blue colored water. Now, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon for next my experiments updates.